Suppose this is the question. The question is divide 9848 with 24. And we don't know the table of 24. So there are two ways to write the table of any number which we don't know. The first one is we will multiply and we'll write down the answer. 24 into 2, 48. The other way is you can write down the table and then you can keep on adding 24. So 24 into 2 is equals to added 48. So I'll keep on adding it. I'll get 72. So that way also you can make a table. Keep on adding the same number and you will get the table of that number. Or you can multiply the numbers with 1, 2, 3, 4 to get the table. So like for example, I'll do it till 4. I'll get 96. Now the first number is 98. Then I have to see in the table 98 is close to which number. So I can see it is close to 96. So I'll pick 96. I'll write down 24s are 96, then 2, and then 4. 24. Now 24 ones are 24. That I already know. Then I'll write on here 0. I'll subtract it. Then write the next number 8. So this part is just similar to the part where we divide the number with the one digit number. Now it is 8. I can't divide 8 with 24. So I have to add a 0. 24 zeros are 0. And I'll subtract and I'll write on 8. 8 is the remainder. 410 is the quotient. And this is the answer.